Yeah. So good evening, everyone. Welcome to DurgaSoft online training sessions. So coming to our course, let me introduce myself. Myself, K. Prakash Babu, having 16 plus years of experience as a trainer. As a trainer, I have 16 plus years of experience is there. So coming to this particular course, the title of the course, let me talk about course details. The title of the course is, I think already you know, it is nothing but data structures and algorithms. Data structures and algorithms with Java. Data structures and algorithms with Java. Data structures and algorithms with Java. So in this course, we are going to study both data structures, we are going to see at the same time algorithms also we are going to discuss. Prerequisite for this, okay. So prerequisite for this is, okay, prerequisite is core Java, sir, compulsory. Without having core Java knowledge, you can't understand this particular course. Without having core Java knowledge, you can't understand, because see, actually these data structures and algorithms is a theoretical logical concepts. If I want to implement that into the programming, compulsory some language must be required. It can be either Java or Python or C++, okay, or C language, JavaScript, any language we can use. But compulsory one programming language need must be there. So for this, we are going to use Core Java. Completely, we are going to implement by using which programming language? Core Java. One more thing, sir, the timings of this session. The timings of this session is, sir, not 7 p.m., sir. It is 6 p.m. 6 p.m. to 7:15 p.m. session will be there. Around 1 hour, 15 minutes session will be there. Okay. So 1 hour, maximum 1 hour. But if topic demands, I will take up to 7:15. Okay. Sir, what about the demos? These demos are 15th today, okay, and 16th tomorrow, that is nothing but Friday, okay, next 17th Saturday. These 3 days, these 3 days demo will be there, sir. So from Monday onwards, we are going to have the regular classes. Okay. Next, the duration of this course, the duration of this course is 2 months, 2 months duration. Okay, August, September, maximum by end of the September or October first week we can wind up. Okay. Next, and after that, you are going to receive running notes. You are going to receive running notes along with images. Sir, what is these images? Images are very, very important while learning data structures, because everything, if the code is only 2 to 3 lines, sir, diagram 2 pages will be there. So only one program I'm going to explore in detail. If you want, you can see, just I will share some diagrams. Already we started at 6 o'clock batch. For that, we started one topic. You can see. So how the images will be. Have you observed? Like this, I'm going to demonstrate code along with examples. Okay, I'm going to explain code with examples. Like this, it will be. Maximum we will focus on diagrams only, because the code is only 2 to 3 lines, but diagram is very, very important for this, especially for this data structures course. Okay, so where you are going to get running notes along with images, and also you are going to receive videos, sir. These videos alone, you have only 6 months access. Okay, after 6 months the videos are going to be expired. Next, sir, what about the fees? Fees for this batch is 2,500. 2,500, including live classes, recordings, and then running notes. Okay. Sir, highly recommended to attend live sessions. Highly recommended to attend live sessions. Sir, if you are unable, okay, if you are unable to attend, then you can go for videos. You can go for videos. No problem. Maximum try to attend live sessions. At least some important topics are there. Okay, I will put in group. Like this is the most important topic, so attendance is mandatory. In such cases, compulsory spend some time and attend. Okay, sir, one more important note: these classes 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. only on weekdays, only on weekdays. But please ready to attend on weekends also. Sir, some special and easy topics, some special and easy topics are covered, okay, are covered in weekends. So every weekend we are not going to spend, but definitely alternatively or 2 weeks once we will plan. Maximum in our course, 4 weekends I am going to take. 4 weekends I am going to take. On first weekend, we are going to discuss about a topic called arrays. Okay, on second weekend, we are going to discuss a topic called string handling or string data structure. So on third weekend, we are going to discuss about linked list data structure. On fourth weekend, we are going to talk about binary trees. On fifth weekend, we are going to talk about AVL trees. AVL trees, AVL trees. So alternatively, we will plan alternatively, maybe 2 weeks once or 3 weeks once, like that. Because you know these topics are very easy to understand, including linked list. See, majority of the students are going to feel linked list is very difficult. Binary trees are very difficult. Except these topics, remaining all the topics are easy in data structures. Okay, I mean remaining all the topics are difficult. These topics are very easy. Anyway, I will demonstrate all these things. This is nothing but, sir, the details of our course. If everyone clear with this, please make confirmation. Then I will go through the syllabus. Sir, any doubt up to this?
No, sir. No, sir.
Yeah, good. So coming to the syllabus. Sir, what about the topics which we are going to cover? The topics which we are going to cover. So coming to the syllabus of this course is, sir, first we are going to see introduction. Okay, introduction to algorithms. We are going to see introduction to algorithms. Like, sir, what is mean by algorithm? When we can go for algorithm? Okay, so what is the intention? Why we need to go for algorithm? What are the different types of algorithms are existed? Okay, what are the different types of algorithms are existed? Like that we are going to discuss, sir. Next and after that, continuation for this, we are going to see introduction to algorithms and also data structures. What is mean by data structure? Okay, why we need to go for data structure concept? Okay, so what are the different types of data structures are there? Next, whenever we are implementing any program, whether it may be a small application or big application, some problem statement has given. You are trying to implement a solution for that. If I'm giving a problem to a student, they can find n number of ways to solve that problem. Some people may use one or two lines of code. Some people may use a big algorithm. Like n number of things are there. Sir, among those solutions, which solution is best? We have to identify, friends. But how to identify? For that, there are some special parameters are there, like time and space complexities. We have to calculate time complexity. We have to calculate space complexity. Sir, time complexity means what? Whenever you are developing an algorithm, how much time that algorithm is going to take to execute is called as a time complexity. How much time it is taking to run, that is called as space complexity. So every algorithm is associated with time and space complexities, sir. This is very, very important. Then after that, we are going to see bit manipulations. There are some bit manipulations. There are some bitwise operators are there. Bitwise operators. So whenever learning programming languages, maybe one session you are going to discuss about bitwise operators, maybe some 20 to 30 minutes. Even in my Java, core Java, Python classes, I'm going to take only 20 minutes to explain these bitwise operators. But on the background, bitwise operators are going to play an important role in, especially in data structures. Why? Because that much that much scope is there. So if I implement any algorithm by using bit manipulations means, or bitwise operators means, so that the efficiency of the program is going to be increased like anything. That much importance is there, sir. So anyway, we are going to see what real-time applications we can develop by using these bit manipulations. After that, recursive recursive algorithms, very, very important. Recursive algorithms. So around 20 topics, 20 applications, 20 applications we are going to see on recursion. Sir, do you know, already this chapter I started for 7 o'clock students. I told already this batch got started, sorry, this batch got started at 6 p.m. For that 6 p.m. students, already I completed recursion. So recursion topic completed. That topic only I'm going to demonstrate in these 4 days for you people. Okay. So later you are going to combine from the introduction part from Monday. Then, sir, continuation for this recursion, there is one concept is there with name backtracking algorithms. Sir, what is mean by backtracking? What is backtracking procedure? How to use that backtracking? Okay, so how we can implement a program for that backtracking, we are going to see in detail. We are going to see in detail. Sir, after backtracking, we are going to talk about sorting algorithms, friends. What are the different types of sorting algorithms are there? What are the different types of searching algorithms are there? How to implement binary search, linear search, merge sort, quick sort, bubble sort, like we have different approaches are there. How to do all these things we are going to discuss with the program. After that, DP, dynamic programming. What is dynamic programming? Why we need to go for dynamic programming, we are going to see next. And after that, greedy algorithms. What is greedy algorithms? So when we can go for greedy, what are the applications for dynamic programming? Some 3 to 4 applications I am going to explain. Even for greedy also 3 to 4 applications we are planning. Next, and after that, hashing. So what is mean by hashing? When we can go for hashing? Okay, so after this, these are the algorithms. Then we are going to see arrays. Arrays is the data structure. So next, in these arrays, we are going to see the basics, complete basics of arrays. Next, and after that, there is one predefined class is there with name arrays. There is one predefined class is there with name collections. Okay, next, and after that, array rotations. Sir, I want to rotate an array. How to do that? Matrix rotation. Sir, I want to rotate a matrix. How you can rotate? So some basic examples also we are going to see in this. Next, and after that, string data structure. So on this string data structure, we are going to discuss around some 50 applications. Some small, medium programs will be there. Easy programs will be there. Hard programs also will be there in this. So after this, linked list data structure. Okay, on this single linked list, double linked list, circular single linked list, circular double linked list. These things we are going to cover. Okay, next, so stack data structure, then queue data structure. Next, and after that, priority queue, priority queue. Okay, priority queue data structure, which is also called as heap data structure. So next, and after that, tree data structure, then binary tree, then binary search tree, AVL tree. Okay, AVL tree. So next, and after that, we are going to talk about the graph data structure. So in this graph, around some 20 to 25 operations are there. We are going to discuss. This is nothing but the topics which we are going to cover in this 2 months duration. Okay. Some topics are easy topics. Some topics take some time. Some topics easy, but implementation wise hard. Okay. So this is nothing but the syllabus, the total syllabus what we have. If anyone wants to, you can take a screenshot of this. Okay. Sir, now if you are feeling any difficulty or if you have any doubt, please let me know. Any doubts, friends, please confirm.
No, sir. No doubt.
Right.
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir, please.
So just want to know about the deep understanding of this course. Let's say, example, we are taking a binary tree.
Hmm.
So may I know, like, by teaching this binary tree and all, so what kind of content may we can expect, like reading the tree in the reverse order, like BFS and DFS, all these kind of things will be taught here, sir.
Yes. See, the most commonly performed operations we are going to see on that. Okay. See, the point here is, if you take linked list or binary search tree or anything, there are n number of applications, small applications are there, around some 50 to 60 applications we have. Are you understanding my point? Printing in level order, printing the path from root to leaf, and printing from root to leaf, root to leaf to root. Okay, so in BFS or DFS, there are n number of things are there. But the only point you need to understand is, if you are very clear with the basic operations, how that structure of binary tree is maintained, whenever you are inserting, where it is going to be stored, when you performing delete operation, how it will be, and what is the question they asked. So you have to draw a tree. Parallelly, you need to write the input and also output. If you take for 2 to 3 test cases, once if you got the idea, then implementation is very easy, sir. Because see, we are very poor at understanding the concept. Once if the concept is clearly injected into your mind, you can develop any kind of application. Best example, for previous batch, I covered linked list. So around 25 operations I covered. So then one student attended interview. He got one program. So like, is the linked list is a palindrome or not? We have to check. Then after 1 hour completion of exam, that student asked me, sir, I didn't answer that question, but so I think at least you should explain that. So I told very clearly, in linked list, I performed 2 operations. One is reverse, another was compare. If you combine these two, it is the answer. First, we have to copy the linked list, reverse the linked list, compare with original linked list. That's all. So the only thing is, you need to understand the problem statement. Definitely, for any problem, we can write the solution. Only thing is, if you are very good at fundas, happily you can implement. Understanding, sir? I think you got answer for your question.
Yes, sir, I got it.
And one more thing, don't expect everything from my side, because there are 20 people are there in the session, means definitely some 15 people simply they are attending, and whatever I am explaining, they are going to by heart or they are going to learn. But remaining 5 people, they will put some extra effort. Like, sir, in this order also we can solve the program. Or you said like this, right? We can also try in this way. And you told one problem, just give me one assignment, I will try. Like that, some five people will be there. So I'm expecting everyone should be in that 5. Are you getting my point?
Yeah, yes.
Because if you take linked list alone, I will take 3 months. 100 classes I will take only on linked list, because that much content is there. So keeping all the factors in the mind, we will give whatever needed for the student. Once if you are clear with this, going for next level is very easy. Like learning alphabets, then slowly making the sentences. Sir, everyone clear? Can I start our session? Like, we will start with basic.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. So, as I said earlier, already this batch got started. For that, which chapter I started, same chapter I'm going to start for you also. So, what is that chapter is, sir, recursion. Recursion. So, I already told about this chapter. Recursion means what? Sir, can anyone tell me what is recursion in your point of view? Can you please confirm? Because already you have some programming language knowledge, right? With that, tell me what is recursion in your point of view. Whether it is right or wrong, I will explain later. What is recursion?
Like calling a method inside by method itself.
Very good, very good. Just let me save this file. So I'm giving name of the file is DSA with Java batch 12. See, I completed 12 batches in our DurgaSoft. Backup, or let me take it as add-on session. Yeah. Sir, I will implement one small program for you to understand. Just I'm starting from the scratch. Please don't mind. I'm starting from the scratch. See, I have a Java program is there. You know very well, this is the format of our Java program. So a class test is there. Inside that, public static void main. So why this is public, everyone can able to access and define. Static means object is not required. Return type of main is nothing but void. The method name is main. We can change this method, but customization of JVM must be required. Then string arguments are there, and system.out.println hello world. It is a method to print some message on the screen. Sir, this is nothing but a structure of Java program. I want to execute this program through command prompt. Through command prompt, I want to run. Where I saved this file actually in C drive test folder I saved. Let us move to that test folder now. So now my requirement is I want to compile this Java program. How to compile? Sir, anyone having idea? Compilation process?
Yes, sir. By using Java C command, we have to compile.
Yes, very good. Java C command is there. Java C space file name is a test.java. Just I am pressing enter. There is no error. That's why it returned to the next prompt. Now I am taking Java space test. The code is going to execute. You can see just we got a hello world message. Sir, are you clear with this first small application? Sir,
Yes, sir.
clear everyone? Matter of 2 minutes. Just I will enter into the main concept.
Yes, sir.
So 1 second. Yeah, just guys, 1 second. Give me 1 second. Right. So now I want to implement a small program, sir, to perform addition of two numbers. Like I declared integer a is equal to, okay, or integer a comma b I am taking. Sir, a is equal to 1. Okay. So next a is equal to 1. So next b is equal to 2. So next I am taking c is equal to a plus b, and I am trying to print the value of c. Like that, just I have a program. So which is going to calculate? This is actual logic, right? These 4 lines are actual logic, which is going to calculate addition of two numbers. Sir, my faculty asked to perform addition of two numbers. Like we have 4 pairs or 3 pairs are there. Like this I have taken. Okay. So in the second case, it is a 10, 20. In the third case, it is 100 and 200. If I run this program is working fine. What is our expected output? 330 and then 300. Sir, here also same 330, 300 we got. So the concept wise, okay. Oh, sorry. So program wise, it is working perfectly, and we got exact result also. We got exact result also. This is nothing but just a simple program what I explained. Next, the problem in this program is, if you think logically, the problem with this application is, sir, you are doing some operation repeatedly. Okay, you are doing some operation repeatedly. Can I say this operation, or I can say C is equal to A plus B. You can see in the yellow color. How many times we are performing? 3 times. A common operation, if you are doing multiple times, then what we can go? Sir, we can use reusable concept. I can go for reusable concept. Sir, I have a habit of eating banana after completion of my dinner. It is my habit from the last 3 years. So what I will do, sir, 1 week before, whenever I found a time, I'm going to get a dozen of bananas and I will keep it in my house. Or I'm going to complete my dinner and I will go to my street ending and I'm going to purchase one banana by spending some 5 rupees and I will eat and I will come to home and I will sleep. First approach is good or second approach is good? Tell me, sir.
First approach is good.
Yes. Why? Because I can save the money, I can save the time. So if any concept is required every time, no need to write the code explicitly. We have to take a separate concept is there in every programming language. That is called as functions. Sir, why every time you are doing this calculation? Because if this calculation is having some mistake, means you need to update every line. Assume here 3. If 30 operations are there, 30 lines we have to modify. Instead of that, can I define one block like public static integer sum, which is going to take two numbers like x and then y, and it will return x plus y. That's all, only one logic. Now, whenever if you want, even these variables nonsense and all not required. Sir, simply you can call inside SOP by taking sum of 1 comma 2. Okay, so 11 comma 22. Okay, so triple 1 comma triple 2. Have you observed? A simple code we have written. Who is responsible to do this? This sum is responsible to do this activity. So this is called as what? Method. In Java, it is called as method, or some people may use the word called function. What is advantage? The biggest advantage is reusable concept. If any concept is repeatedly required, better to go for reusability. In data structures, these methods are going to play an important role because I want to insert an item into the collection. So it is not a single time operation, repeated operation. We have to write a code for that. Don't write every time the code in main method. We have to write a separate function. That's why even in the competitive examinations, you can see they are going to define some 50 to 60 lines in the main method. They will hide main method. They will enable a function like this. So they are going to put a question here. Sir, what is that question? Write your code here. Write your code here. Like that, they are going to keep. That's all. You need to write here and you have to submit the code. So these kind of things are very common, sir. Why? Because so in data structures, majority of the problems are going to be solved by using these methods concept. Why I am explaining these things? Already it is there in Java. Just I am trying to go for recursion. For that, I am giving some inputs. Now I want to run this program, sir. It is running, it is compiling fine. If you run also, the output what we are getting is 3, 33, 333. Sir, my requirement got satisfied. So, sir, later I will give the definitions. Are you clear with this application? Whatever I told, please confirm.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? Sir, please confirm. Everyone clear with my terminology?
Yeah, yes, sir.
So from this, just I want to write some statements like note number 1. Sir, in Java, not only in Java, in any programming language, if a code is repeating, then better to write, okay, better to insert that code in a special block, so called as what? Function. So I can say a function or method is self-contained block of statements, self-contained block of statements. Tell me, sir, one question I have. Who is responsible to call that method or function? Please tell me in Java, who is responsible to call that function or method? From where we have to call? Please.
In main method.
Main method. Okay. So main method main method, okay, main method is responsible. Main method is responsible to call any method, any method. Sir, can I say main is also a special method? Am I right, sir? Please confirm. Main is also a method, right? Sir, please confirm. Is main is a method or not?
Yes, sir. Main is method.
Main is also a method. Main is also a method. Right. Next, sir, who is responsible to call main method? Because main is a method, someone has to call, right? Who will call main method? Can you please confirm?
Java will call for main method.
Yes, very good. Java virtual machine will call main method automatically. So for this, we are not required to write any explicit code. Java virtual machine is going to call automatically. Sir, all this story we know very well. Again, why you are repeating? The only reason is, sir, if you know these concepts, just I am giving a kind of a brush up, because next concepts are very easy, sir. If you understand what internally is happening, it is very easy to understand the next. Sir, still few more examples I am going to cover. But up to this, do you have any doubt?
No, sir.
Sir, clear? Can I start recursion one by one?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So, um, all the students, all BTech students, or the people who knows Java very well, they are going to feel recursion means very easy. Okay, some complex example if I'm giving, then they are going to tell recursion is very difficult. But the point you need to understand is there is one data structure is there in the recursion, sir. If you understand that the functionality of the data structure which we are using in recursion, recursion is the most easiest topic in the total entire data structure. And if you know recursion, all the operations in the data structures will become very easy. Something like I can say recursion is director for the movie. If director is having a clear thought, if you understand the director mindset, then understanding the cinema or continuation of the flow. So when the character will come, what that character will do, everything you can able to implement, because a linked list, tree, anything, graph, anything, any data structure, if you see internally, it uses recursion. Okay, sir, are you clear up to this, whatever input I have given?
Yes, sir.
And so I have a doubt. Can you please tell me in the recursion, which data structure we are using? With your knowledge, can you please tell me?
Stack data structure, sir.
Hmm.
Stack data
Yeah,
structure.
very good, very good. Sir, some people are keep on silent. Please open your mouths. Even it is wrong, just interact, okay? Because nobody knows you, right? Even I don't know you. So happily you can speak, okay? Right. Sir, I am taking one example program. Just I don't want this application, just I want to take a program like public static void m is the method, some method I am defining, where I'm going to take some statements like system.out.println of, listen carefully, I'm printing triple A. I'm printing a message called triple A. Or, sir, let me take method m execution started. Method m execution started. Method m execution, okay, ended or stopped. Like this I'm taking. Okay. Now, sir, JVM is going to call main method. Main method is not calling m. What is the output of this program?
No output, sir.
No output. Why? Because even though you defined the method, until you made a call to that method, it never responded. So the output is nothing but empty. Nothing is there. Whenever I'm calling tell me, sir, what is the output? So
Um,
this line number one, this line number two. Assume this is line number one. Okay, this is line number one, and this is nothing but line number two. Sir, these two lines you will get. Am I right, friends? So the order is line number 1 and line number 2. Am I right, friends? Please confirm.
Yes, sir.
Method M execution started, method M execution stopped. Sir, everyone please confirm with this terminology. Clear? Please confirm.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yes, sir.
Then, sir, I will do some small modification in this program. Very, very important. I request everyone to please interact. Only few people are interacting. Sir, here what I am going to do is system.out.println of main method execution started. Main method execution started. Like this, I am printing some message. Assume this is nothing but line number 3, sir. Tell me what is output. Is it 1, 2, 3? What is the
No,
execution?
312, sir.
3, 1, 2. Why? Because so first what will happen? I am drawing diagram parallelly. Please focus. Sir, first what will happen? Java virtual machine is going to create a stack. And after creating stack, assume this person is nothing but our Java virtual machine. This person is going to initiate main method. This person is going to call main method. And whenever main method started execution, corresponding entries they are going to keep in the stack. Sir, main method is calling stack. So what is the first line? Line number 3 it is going to print. It is the duty of main. Then it is calling M, sir. Now listen carefully. M method it is calling. Sir, M method program execution started. Line number 1 it will print. Line number 2 it will print. Then what will happen? Sir, program completed. Is there any other method calls? No, there is no method calls. That's why what will happen? Sir, it will return to the original. It will return to the original. In which order it is going to come? See, main method called this one. Then work is completed means it will destroy this and it will return the value to main. And what main is going to do? Is there any other job of main method? First line completed, method call completed, no other job. So it will stop. Like that, we got a third line, first line, and second line as the output. This diagram is very, very important. Sir, clear? Internally, what is happening, I explained. Clear, friends?
Yes, sir.
Then, sir, second example, assume the same stack I am going to take. Sir, I am going to rewrite this code with some small modification. What is that modification is? Sir, after M, I am going to print, so stopped, method execution stopped. Assume it is line number 4. Now tell me, sir, so what is the order of the program execution? Which lines will execute in order? Tell me.
3, 1, 2, 4.
First line 3, am I right?
Yes, sir.
Then
1, 2,
no,
then 4.
line number 1. Because we are calling M, control will go here. In this, there are two sequential lines. So 1 and then 2. After coming to this 11th line, still the program continuation is there, right?
Yes.
Yes. So line number 4. Sir, up to
Yes.
this, any doubt?
No, sir.
No,
Sir,
sir.
everyone clear?
Yes, sir.
My question is just to answer yes or no. That's all. I am not explaining. I am not expecting any explanation from you. Just to tell me yes or no. Sir,
Yes, sir.
after making the method call, is there any possibility to take the statements after method call also? Please confirm. I am
No.
telling after taking method call, can I write any statements after method call also?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, we can. The people who are having with some only 10% knowledge in recursion, they are going to tell once if the method call is over, that's all. We should not write any statements. So we can write, there is no problem at all. But remember, I'm going to cover this point in the tomorrow's session. Now observe what is the diagram for this. Sir, first we are calling main method. Main method is executing line number 3. After that, there is a internal call is there for method. That method is having two sequential lines. It will print and this entry will be deleted and it will come back. JVM will check after main method inside the main method after M call, is there any pending instructions? Yes. Let us execute and terminate this main. JVM is going to shut down. So that's why the order is nothing but what? Sir, 3, 1, 2, 4. That means main method is going to start first, then method M execution started, then method M execution stopped, then main method execution is going to be stopped. Sir, if I run the program, see what output I will get. Main method execution started, method M execution started, method M execution stopped, main method execution stopped. Sir, up to this. No doubt, right? Please confirm everyone.
No doubt, sir.
Sir,
No.
everyone clear?
Yes, sir.
If you are clear,
Yes, sir.
then I will take next topic. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Next. Sir, one more program on the same context I want to take. What is that program here I am taking is, listen carefully, another program I am taking, another example. What is that example is? See, I am calling instead of method M, I am taking M1. I am taking M1. Assume it is M1. Okay. So now, like this, I want to define one more method, sir. Let us assume that is method 2. Method 2. Okay. So who is responsible to call method 2? Method 1. Internally, it is calling method 2. Now listen. Line number 1, line number 2, line number 3, line number 4, line number 5, line number 6. Just assume. Now understand my terminology. First, JVM is going to call main method. The output is nothing but line number 5. It will print first. After that, M1 method. We are calling M1 method. So M1 method execution started. Line number 1, it will print. Line number 1, it will print. Sir, after that, what is happening? Is it calling another method or not? Please
Yes, sir.
confirm. So now, immediately, this stack is going to redirect the control to which method? M2. Am I right?
Yes.
So M2 method started. What is output we are going to get? Third line. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Is there any other method calls in M2? No. This is the
Yes,
only call.
sir.
So next fourth line also will get chance. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Remember carefully, after this, since method 2 task got completed, it will delete this entry from the stack and then come back. Okay, sir, which method called M2? M1 method called M2. So M2 is responsible to return or to give the control to M1. Suppose if your class teacher is giving some task, Array, can you please find out every student present in the class or not? Then you went to classroom and you verified there are 5 students absent. Are you going to make a phone call to your chairman, sir, and saying, sir, only 5 students absent in my class, like that? No, because whom they have assigned, who assigned work for you, for them you need to return the result. If class teacher asked this question for you, you have to give a response to your class teacher. Then who has given work for the class teacher, that class teacher is responsible to return the result. Like that, who called M2? M1. M1 called M2. So what will happen? After deleting, after working of M2 got completed, the control will return to M1. Sir, up to this clear?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Sir, in M1, total how many lines are there? 3 lines.
3.
First line already completed. Second line also completed. Now this line pending, right? It will execute now. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Then M1 also will delete. It will come out to main. Is there any pending line in the main? 6th line. Are you clear? So this is the output, sir. I hope you are not confusing. If you run the program, see, first main method started. Then main method called M1. So M1 execution started. M1 is calling M2. M2 execution started. M2 is not giving task to any other person. That's why M2 execution completed. then M1 executions completed, then main method execution completed. Like that, the control is going to return. Sir, up to this, any doubt? Please confirm.
No, sir. No, sir.
Sir, everyone clear with the
No, sir.
terminology?
Yes, sir.
Because if you got this point, then remaining things are very easy only. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Then next, sir, slowly I am coming to the main concept called recursion. Slowly I am coming to the main concept called recursion. Listen carefully. Sir, what is mean by recursion? Anyway, tomorrow I will give definition, but have a look once. Just basics I am giving. I have a method m is there, which is printing some message like good evening, which is printing some message like good evening. That's all. No other statements are there here. Now, main method is simply making a call for the TM. What is the output of this program, sir?
Good evening.
Good evening. Sir, only one time, right?
Yes, sir.
That's all. Now, sir, after printing good evening, again I am calling M. What is output?
Unlimited.
Unlimited.
Exception.
Good evening.
Why? Because see, what is happening here? Sir, main method is invoking a method called M. This method is again calling M. Am I right? This method is again
Yes.
calling M. This method is again calling M. This method is again calling M. So it is a never-ending process. So internally, main memory has given only limited control to Java virtual machine. This much memory you have to take. Okay, so up to this limit you can keep. Sir, I told I want to eat banana every time. That doesn't mean that I'm going to purchase a lorry of bananas and I will keep it in my house. No, that is not good. So whatever limitation is there, up to that we can. Beyond the limit we can't, because again there are some disadvantages. If you keep a lorry of bananas in the home, what will happen? After 2 weeks, everything is going to be wastage. That's why, sir, same thing here also. We are calling M, M is calling again M, M is calling again M. It is a never-ending process. We have a limited resources there. So if it is unlimited, you can't accommodate. Immediately, my Java will start executing. But during execution, memory issues may come. Sir, what is that memory issue? Sometimes it is executing, sir. But at last, somewhere, there is one error is going to come. Sir, what is that error is? Have you observed? What is that error, sir? Stack overflow error. I think no need to give any explanation for the term called stack overflow. You got very clearly. Sir, what is stack overflow? Main method is calling M. M method is calling M. M method is calling M. It is keep on calling. My stack is unable to hold a number of method calls. That's why overflow is happening. That's why it is called as a stack overflow error. Sir, how to resolve this? Don't worry. We will see. There are some techniques are there we can resolve. Sir, I can eat one banana per day. Sir, total how many days are there? 7. Okay. Maybe some, if any relatives or my mother are going to eat means 2 bananas per day. Sir, 6 or 7 into 2, 14. Okay. I can get 1 dozen per week. Like that, we can imagine, we can estimate, and we can fix the capacity of the stack. How to do that? That is called as a different story. I will explain in the tomorrow's class. But up to this, I think the term related to the recursion I have given, sir. Any doubt, friends?
No, sir.
Sir, everyone clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So yet I didn't started the concept. Tomorrow I am going to start this recursion. Just I have given some inputs to the recursion. Tomorrow there are some 5 to 6 theory topics are there. Okay, like recursion properties, when we can go for recursion, finite, infinite recursion, direct, indirect recursion, base condition means what? Okay, next and after that, tail recursion, non-tail recursion, which is very, very important. So tomorrow I'm going to explain all the theory related stuff with the help of small applications. Okay, and the day after tomorrow, we will finish these applications one by one. So up to this, no doubt, right? Please confirm.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
If you are having any queries, please let me know. So remaining things we will continue in the tomorrow's class. And again, I am repeating, the timings of the session is not 7 o'clock, 6 to 7:15 p.m. will be there. I will start at 6 or 6:05 like that. Okay. And the regular classes are going to start from Monday. Already we started today. This topic I already completed for 6 p.m. students. I have given break for 4 days. So whatever classes I have taken for those people, I'm going to take for you people in these 4 days. From Monday, a common topic will be discussed for both. Right, sir? Thank you. We will meet for the continuation tomorrow. Thank you, sir.